Hi, this is Mel Hitchcock with Mel's Equestrian Services. I am an equine massage therapist, and this is my horse, No Secret. I actually call him just Secret, makes it easier. I am going to do a video tutorial on this Horsewell massager. It's actually a fascia tool for horses. I have blue, red, and black. With this fascia tool, I can help release a lot of tension in the horse's muscles. Fascia is the connective tissue that connects the bones, the nerves, the organs, the muscles, all together. And so if we don't have the fascia loose and supple, or kind of like I like to say, the gliding of it across the muscles, we can have tension in the horse. So what I like to do with every massage, hi buddy, is to use this. We have as the short side, we have a rounded side, and then the curved side. So how I like to use this on the pole area is I'm just going to take that short side. Hi, buddy. And I'm going to slowly do this area. Okay. What I'm looking for is crunchy feeling underneath that tool. Okay. So when we have that crunchy feeling anywhere in the body, you know that the fascia is tense. And so we want to release it. That's why I have this tool. So I'm going to do this a little bit. A lot of times this is done within about 15 minutes. You can do the full horse before a riding, before you work them. Or you can do it after the ride, but usually before, because the idea is to warm up the muscles and release the lactic acid so that the horse can perform and move better. The fascia helps to hold things together, like I said before, and when we release it, because there are some tense spots, like you noticed, he was like, oh, moving a little bit into that. So we just want to release that area. When we release that fascia tension, we can promote better movement within the horse. So I work on a lot of performance horses, and they are so much happier when I use this tool. I obviously am a massage therapist as well, and so I use the tool as well as my hands. So now I'm going to take it and I'm just going to keep going along those muscles. He has a little bit of fascia up here, fascia tension. There is fascia that covers the whole entire body. So we're working with the whole body. You can use this on to release it. So I'm going to work a little bit. And you can do this for a couple minutes in all the areas. If you find an area of crunchiness or sticky, like the fascia feels stuck underneath this blade, you can go over it more. So I'm just going to keep going. And of course, it's just a really nice way to massage your horse and give them a gift and help them perform better. So when we do this bigger section, which is the splenius, the brachiocephalicus, those are the really big muscles here. I'm going to take the curved portion and start by going up here like this. I'm going to hold my hands like this, okay? Obviously, every person is going to feel differently with it, but the strength comes from holding your hands like this. So you're going to go down, down there. That's a good job. And he's going to go with this. So you're just going to go until you find some crunchy areas. This is a crunchy area for him. So I'm going to go a couple strokes down, just like this. And you're probably not going to get all the crunchiness away after one session, okay? But it's going to help. And then the ability for the fascia to glide along the muscles is going to increase because you're stimulating the blood flow and you're providing that release of lactic acid. Hi, you're such a good boy, aren't you?